Right, I'm just going to complete a set of 6 rotations. If you look at I think it's called 6B, which is there, it's going to be the moves I'm going to do: a D2, F prime, D, U2, left and right prime. And hopefully that's going to show 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 off 0 after the first moves, unless the grippers play their game, which they do sometimes. So let's try and run that. Okay, so right, that's right. So that should go to 2 now. One move left. And there we go, that's done. Yeah, I think I'm moving the servos, rotating servos, a little bit too fast, and that might be causing problems with the cube, but I can slow that down.